Hi, I'm ABC Melon.
A is for apple tree, red and sweet, growing tall in sunshine's heat. B is for butterfly, fluttering by, wings of color in the sky. T is for clouds, soft and white, floating gently day and night. D is for daisy, bright and small, smiling in the garden hall. E is for earth, round and blue, full of life for me and you. F is for forest, deep and green, home to animals rarely seen. G is for grass, tickling toes, where the playful puppy goes. H is for hill, up so high, touching clouds that drift on by. I is for island by the sea, waves and shells and a coconut tree. J is for jungle, wild and loud, monkeys chatter, parrots proud. K is for koala, cully and gray, sleeping in trees all day. L is for lake, shiny and wide, fish go splash on the other side. M is for mountain, tall and grand, snowy tops and rocky land. N is for so cozy and round, baby birds make chirpy sound. I, ocean, deep and blue, whales and dolphins swim it too. P said it do, when dolphins swim the sky. P is for pine tree standing high, whispers softly when winds pass by. Q is for quail, tiny and quick, runs through grass, click, click, click. R is for rainbow, bright and high, painting colors in the sky. S is for sun, warm and bright, wakes the world with golden light. T is for tree, strong and tall, gives shade and fruit for all. U is for universe, shining star, twinkle lights both near and far. V is for valley, green and deep, where rivers sing and willows weep. Hope it is for wind, soft and free, dancing leaves on every tree. X is for xylophone,